Another terminology that you might hear is testing. So testing here, we're talking about the test or the quiz, which is a tool that you use to grade the students specifically on a certain task that they have taken inside the class. Using a test or a quiz is something very important because it helps you learn if the students really understood the material or not, or you need to reteach it again. So here it is like a tool to help you assess and evaluate your students. You might think like, do we really need to do assessment? I can just teach the course and the students would be having fun and that would be it. But again, ask yourself, how will you be so sure that your students really understood the material and they are capable of practicing the way you wanted them to practice? So here assessment comes important, evaluation and testing, to make sure that the students really understood and they really achieved the accomplishment academically as they wanted to.